Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam and today we are checking out the Motorola Pace 110 earphones. By the way, the box was empty. So before getting into this video, if you want to watch this video in Hindi, you can do that from the top right corner in the info card. And if you're interested in the Motorola Pace 110 earphones, then you can check out the links down below in the description. But here are the Motorola Pace 110 earphones. It's a very budget-friendly earphones, I would say. And I have tried so many earphones in the past, like from Focal, JBL, and Bode, and many other companies. But with the Motorola, this is my first experience, and I have some decent expectation from these earphones. So first of all, let's do a quick unboxing and see all the contents of the box, and then we will move to the review of these earphones. So here's the packet from Amazon, but as it is not very interesting to see, so let's just quickly unbox this and take out the retail packaging. So here's the packaging itself, and as you can see, here is the image of the Motorola Pace 110. Here it says Motorola, and below that it says in-ear headphones, but these are earphones, I guess. But anyways, on the bottom it says Pace 110, 10mm of driver and inline mic to make calls, and also tangle-free cable along with that. Now moving to the side, we can see all the contents of the box. There is one earphones, small, medium, large ear tips, and user manuals. And going to the back, we can see the earphones are sitting nicely in the package, and below this we have all the features that we just read earlier. And coming down to the other side, we have MRP of the device, which is 600 rupees, but generally it is sold around 450 rupees. So for the pricing, you can check out Amazon link down below in the description. But without wasting any time, let's just open it up and see the earphones itself. So as you can see, here are the earphones itself. It's in black color, and we have this very soft touch tangle-free cable. We also have this inline mic to answer calls, and we also have this button to take calls and all that fancy stuff. And the great thing about these earphones is that you can also use this inline mic to use Google Assistant or Siri. And what is interesting is you can use it for Alexa as well. Now we have this 3.5mm jack on the bottom, and that's pretty much it for the earphones itself. Let's put this aside. What else do we have here? We have some 4 ear tips for precise fit and 1 user manuals to see all the functions and all that stuff, but we don't need it, I guess. So that was the unboxing of this Motorola Pace 110, and now let's move to the review of these earphones. So coming down to the design of these earphones, these look like just any regular traditional earphones, nothing fancy here. So we have everything in plastic, like the earbuds, the mic, but the cable here is tangle free, so no matter how much you abuse these earphones, they never get tangled in your backpack. But speaking of overall build quality, I'm a little skeptical about that these will last long. As of this review, these are just working fine, but if you check out the Amazon reviews, they died pretty fast. But moving on, we have inline button which you can use to play, pause, change songs, and use Google Assistant or Siri and Alexa as well. But unfortunately, there is no button to adjust the volume. And by the way, we have an inline mic which sounds like this. But speaking of voice assistant, you can use Alexa with these earphones, although you have to install a Huddle app from the Play Store. And at the time I was purchasing these earphones, there was a cashback offer with this, which was after the purchase, if you activate Alexa with this earphones, you will get 100 rupees of cashback, which I never received. So that was a painful story, I guess. But coming down to the sound quality of these earphones are very average sounding earphones, I would say. These are not the best sounding earphones under this price range. There is not enough bass, poor isolation, and everything sounds so muddy. For a price of 500 rupees, there are a lot of other options, like the Bode Pace at 162 and 152. I also made a video about these earphones, which you can find in the top right corner in the info card. But this was, I guess, Motorola's first step into the earphones. I don't know about their history, but I guess so. But they didn't stand up to my expectation. Maybe we will see some better earphones in the future from Motorola, but from now, this is a big no from me. But anyways, if you are still interested in these earphones, you can check out all the links down below in the description. And that's been it, guys. That was today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.